In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily do the airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. Before we get started, it's important to understand what you're doing here. Methods like this can change over time, so the first goal is to make sure you're looking at the most current information available. That helps you avoid following outdated instructions that no longer work, and it also gives you a better chance of understanding any recent changes related to cache clearing or network switching. Start by opening Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar and look up the latest method updates for the airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. Try to use clear search terms so you can quickly find recent guides, discussions, or updated walkthroughs. The key here is to focus on the newest information because these types of game methods often stop working or get adjusted after updates. As you search, pay attention to how recent the results are. Newer posts or guides are usually more useful than older ones. If you find multiple sources saying similar things, that can help confirm that the method details are still current. Take your time here because this first part is really about verifying that you're not wasting effort on an outdated version of the process. After that, read through the step-by-step instructions you find, specifically the parts that explain cache clearing and network toggles. These two details are usually the most important parts of this kind of method, so you want to understand them clearly before trying anything yourself. Don't just skim quickly. Read carefully and make sure the order of actions makes sense. When reviewing the cache clearing instructions, pay attention to exactly when that step is supposed to happen and whether the guide mentions anything about app behavior afterward. Then, when you get to the network toggle section, focus on the timing and sequence being described. Even small differences in timing can matter, so clarity is important. A helpful tip is to compare a couple of recent guides side by side and look for the common steps. That can make it easier to tell which instructions are likely still relevant. If something seems unclear, read it again slowly before moving on. Once you've gone through the latest updates and carefully read the instructions on cache clearing and network toggles, you'll be in a much better position to understand the current method as it's being described online. That's the process for getting up to date and preparing to follow the